Okay, here's my turn to Rosh Pinah. But I'm going into ours, which is that. Looks so silly and tiny, but that seems to be ours up ahead there. Unless it's hiding over the built. I'm gonna get some gas at house. It's like Cedarburg-y sort of feel, right? Welkom bij house. House is over the corner, just around the corner here. Get some gas, and that'll comfortably take us the next 160 or 200, I think. Interesting. Oof, wow. They're not numb, they funny. House M86. Ooh, I'm like frozen. I'm not frozen, I don't know what the word is. It's it's like hands are. Ooh. Oh Lord. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to get my spanners out. Bloody Kevin's gonna have to do some engineering work with me. See how we properly fix this problem. Oh. There's the gas station up ahead there. Yeah, quite a pretty little town. I thought it'd just be like a flat dorpy thing. Let's like go here. Let me stay on the tar. I guess that's the main road. So this is us, everybody. AUS. Welkommen bij Olsen. I think this place gets bloody cold. A Bahnhof Hotel, you see. And when I was looking for accommodation, I did look around here, and it's bloody tourist prices, eh? Let me tell you. Welkommen bij die Puma. I say, oh, pal. ULP95 is what I'm after. Right. See you a little bit later. I don't know what time it is. Don't worry.